Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. This is Susmita, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do the eyebrows. So this is the very basic thing that everybody does, but I'm gonna show you how I do my eyebrows like on a daily basis. So let's get started with the video. I haven't done my eyebrows yet. I have done a soft touch makeup, but I haven't done my eyebrows. You can see many type of eyebrows that you can try with, but it depends upon people how they want to do the eyebrows. Like some people like pomade look, some people like to do with the powder, some people like to do with the pencil, some people like to do with the gel. Like there are many options as much as you get with the eyebrows, and my options are like so simple and really affordable. Like for the gel and pomade, that's very expensive. So what I'm gonna do is this part I'm gonna do with the pencil, and this part I'm gonna do with the powder. So I am taking this Fashion Bro Creamy pencil from Maybelline New York. It's a very good eyebrow pencil, and it's really affordable. It's under 150 or something. And for the powder, I'm not using any professional like eyebrow powder or something. I am using this drugstore product. This is from drugstore, and it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills Maya Mia, the eyeshadow palette, and I am using the dark shade of this eyeshadow to, fill my eyebrows. So that is really affordable. I'm using the pencil, and what you have to do is always sharp your eyebrow pencil whenever you are going to fill up your eyebrows, so before you do your eyebrows, make sure you comb your eyebrows also. So this is a brush, so you need to do this with the brush.
I try to fill up my eyebrows. As you can see the difference between this eyebrow and this eyebrow, and that's what I'm seeing. I am going to take the concealer to conceal my eyebrow line like this.
Taking this flat blender to blend this concealer.
Just like that. I'm taking the black shade from my palette, and I'm just tapping like this. And like this. And it's just fill up like this. So it's really simple, the powder pencils, and you just need to, take care of your brush part. Gently, floppy. It's really easy, the brush part. To, clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna show you how I do this. Try to make a line from the front part of my eyebrows and roll to the end, like this. And on the top also do the same, like a really tight touch. So this is from Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is from Wet n Wild, and I am loving this product. This is so nice. So you get away, and this is from Wet n Wild. It's really nice. So I'm taking the same flat. I'm taking the same blender that I did with this eyebrow. So I'm just blending it. Just dab. Like this. Like it's literally, made a huge difference whenever you do it.
So thank you so much for watching my video again, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a big thumbs up. And if you find it helpful, please comment down below that what ways you like it, or like if you have any other options that you make your eyebrows every day. What is your daily basis? What is your daily routine? Don't forget to leave the comment below. And thanks so much. Take care. Bye.